Good morning, everyone. So today I'm not here alone for my live session. I have somebody with me who is going to share her experience. So good morning to all of you. I have Suprava here from Bangalore. She is into the weight loss journey and the workout sessions with me from past few months. So she is going to share her experience. What is her experience during the sessions and all? So let me ask Suprava to introduce herself. Welcome, Suprava, to our live session. Please introduce yourself.
Hi friends, myself Suprava. I am from Bangalore and I am a housewife and mom to two kids. So, hi all of you.
Good, good. Nice to have you here, Suprava. So let us quickly know something from your side about your experience of the weight loss and all. So first of all, I want you to tell to our viewers that what was your weight when you started the weight loss journey, and now what is your weight, and in how many months the transformation happened?
Earlier, my weight was 69.7 and now I am 61.3 kgs. So it's nearly 8 kgs reduction, 8 plus kgs reduction in a period of 3 plus months. Means I started my journey of weight loss from the month of May, end of April, May. And till today I have lost 8 kgs.
Great. We can see the happiness and excitement on your face, Suprava. So yes, still the journey is on. Suprava has not yet achieved her ideal weight, but she's so much excited to share her experience. That's why she is here. Okay, and next I want to know your weight loss journey. That means in this 3+ months, how you felt. Means how was it? How you felt before starting the weight loss journey? What was in your mind, and what changed in yourself?
Actually, I was having a lot of health issues. Like hemoglobin was very low for me. I'm most of the time I'm anemic. I was having knee pain, and most of the time I was feeling giddiness, very fatigue all the time. Even if I'm not working, then also I was feeling very tired. So when I came into your weight loss journey, now in these 3 months, I am very happy with my means with my what I have progressed according to my health. Now the knee pain has reduced a lot, and the fatigue is it's no more there with me. But earlier I was experiencing giddiness a lot of time a day. That has reduced and it has become zero. I will say I am not getting giddiness now. And after starting my weight loss program, I was earlier feeling that I will feel giddiness even more. But thank God that I have not at all experienced.
Great, great. So I think you can tell about your eating habits also, how it was and now how it has changed. Are you eating less? Are you eating how it is?
Earlier, I was eating 3 times a day: morning breakfast, then afternoon lunch, and then directly night dinner. But after starting my weight loss journey, I have started eating a lot of time, but in small quantities. So earlier I was taking 3 times, and now I am taking 6 times a day in small quantities. And it's very good. Not feeling empty anyway. Means any time of the day you won't be feeling empty. That I am feeling hungry. I should have something. That craving is not there.
I think that is one good thing what you were telling me, that earlier you were having that craving of having something in between, but you were not eating. You were eating only 3 times a day. But now you tell me that craving chala gaya, pata nahi kaise. Right? Yeah, that is because you started eating in between. That is very important. So normally, as you told, people think that whenever we think of a diet or जब भी ये word सुनते हैं diet, तो ऐसा लगता है कि खाना बंद करना है.
Yeah.
भूखे रहना पड़ेगा. But so now I think you are happy that you're eating and you're reducing weight. And
A healthy way. Reducing weight in a healthy way by eating.
great, great. So it's very good that in 3.5 months you have reduced 8+ kgs in a healthy way. And one more important thing is that you have reduced your leg knee pain, and your giddiness and all has come down. That is very good experience that you have shared with me. And along with that, I know you are very regular to the workout. You have started, I think, from the month of September itself, you have started the workout. And till now, till date, till today itself, you have come, you are very much regular to the workout. So I want to know that why you are so regular and what is your experience for that?
Actually, earlier I was not a person who would go with workout, but after going for workout, I was feeling that energetic, means throughout the day I was energetic. I was not feeling very tired, very low all the time. Earlier I was feeling very low all the time, as if I have done a lot of work. But after doing workout, I am feeling very energetic and very lively all the time. And earlier, first 1 week to week I was feeling pain in my body because of workout, because from many years I have not done anything. No workout was there in my life. Only I was going with dance classes earlier, nearly 20 years back. After that, this is my first workout sessions. So I am very happy that I am feeling flexible now. I can move, not feeling dull and fatigue and tiredness is not there because of this workout. And the main thing is, if you will join the workout, morning only all the works will get over. Whole day you are free.
You wake up for the workout, but you after workout you can finish your home household work also. Good. So you are in the morning batch, so you are excited about that as well, that you are able to finish your household activities also. So that's great, because you're almost from past 1 year you are coming to the workout, and it is, as you told, you are getting the flexibility also, so it is helping you, right? So that's why you are able to come, you are coming regularly to the workout. That's good. And I know nowadays your daughter also started working out with you. She's just I think below 10 years, but she is also regularly coming, and she's also waking up at 6 o'clock.
That mama, you are doing this and I can't do this. I am feeling very hard to do this work. I am feeling very hard to get in this. Joined.
Yeah, I can see her. She also does it with very excitement, because whatever you do, your kids will see and follow you, right? We can't tell them that you have to do the things, but you can show them what you're doing and they will follow you automatically. That's great, Suprava. So it was a very nice chat with you, a good live session with you on FB.
Thank you.
So what is one message that you want to give, or you can say bye to my viewers? How it is?
I would say, if you want to be fit, go for Limis workout. And if you want to go for weight loss, then go for Limis weight loss journey.
Thank you, Suprava. So I think, yes, she is very much excited and happy, because she is able to reduce her weight, as well as she has come out of her problems as well. That is one big excitement. Whenever I talk with her, that is one thing which she always tells me. So it's not that whenever you are reducing weight, you have to skip on your food and you have to cut down on your food. You can eat healthy and you can reduce weight as well. So it was a nice live session this time with somebody with me. It was a great session. So see you all again on the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Thank you, Suprava.
Bye. Thanks, Limis.